Hello everyone, and we have this very tricky math question, and you have only 10 seconds to solve. Your time starts now. Time's up. Now we are going to solve this math question. We have 100 divided by 5 parenthesis 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3 times 4. So this is the question, and here we will follow order of operation. Okay, so first we will solve this parenthesis, which is 2 plus 3 times 4, and here multiplication comes first, which will be 2 plus 3 times 4, that is 12. So we will rewrite 100 divided by 5, 2 plus 12. And similarly, in the next step, 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14 here. And simply we can write 100 divided by 5 times 14. And here division multiplication have the same practice, so we will do left to right here. So we will write first we have to solve this division, that is 100 divided by 5 will result 20 here. So we will write 20 times 14, and 20 times 14, which will be 280. So for the first problem our answer is 280. Let's change our color here. Yes. And here we have the bonus problem, that is 10 minus 5 times 2 plus 4 square divided by 8. So again we will follow PEMDAS. First preference given to this exponent, which is 4 square, which equals to 4 times 4, which equals to 16 here. We will simply write 10 minus 5 times 2 plus 16, that is the value of this 4 square, divided by it. Now here, according to PEMDAS, next we have this multiplication. So we will solve 5 minus 5 times 2, that is equal to 10 here, plus 16 divided by 8. Again 10 minus 10 plus 16 divided by 8 will give result 2 here. And here addition and subtraction both have the same priority. So we will do left to right here. 10 minus 10 will give result 0 plus 2. And 0 plus 2 will give 2 as our answer of the second question. And watch these videos and try to solve all this, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.